Hello, I would like to share the following information about PorterChester Institute Practical Nursing Program with you. Our students learn the following: the art and science of caring for patients, the nursing process and how to apply to interpreting patient information, evidence-based nursing information to prepare you to become a licensed nursing professional. Upon graduation and passing of the National Council Licensure Examination for Practical Nursing, or the NCLEX-PN exam, and obtaining licensure, a licensed practical nurse, or LPN, is a vital part of the healthcare system. An LPN is responsible for providing patients with essential healthcare needs, including activities of daily living, promoting of health, and medication administration. In collaboration with registered nurses, RNs, advanced practical registered nurses, APRNs, and physicians, the LPN will assist in keeping detailed patient records, maintaining clear communication between the entire healthcare team, and working with the patients and their families to understand relevant healthcare procedures and the healthcare needs of their loved ones. Graduates of the practical nursing program will have sufficient knowledge and skills for entry-level employment as a nurse in long-term care facilities, medical offices, hospitals, clinics, and other allied health environments once they pass the NCLEX-PN and gain licensure. For more information on this career, we encourage you to visit the following Bureau of Labor Statistics website at www.onetonline.org. As a practical nursing student at PorterChester Institute, you will learn by doing, whether that is on campus, in our industry model lab, learning areas using real-world medical equipment, high-fidelity mannequins and basic mannequins, or at the clinical facilities off campus, where you will gain the direct patient care experience of working and caring for real patients. Being a licensed practical nurse is a challenging and rewarding profession that is essential in the world today. Imagine your future. Next, I want to share the following information regarding the requirements for practical nursing students is: first, to complete their education, then to take and pass National Council Licensure Exam for Practical Nursing, also known as NCLEX-PN, and to obtain their license, and then employment as a licensed practical nurse, or an LPN. The education delivery method for academics during the COVID pandemic is 100% aligned for lecture with lab instructions on campus and clinical rotations on site at approved clinical facilities. We currently offer day classes for our students. The day schedule is 15 months long, meaning Monday through Thursday, over 5 12-week term. The class time is from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. The industry model lab schedule varies from term to term and campus to campus. Clinical locations vary and are generally within a 35-mile radius of the campus, and students will have 1 week each term for vacation. See the catalog for details. Pre-admissions. All students must authorize PorterChester Institute to request a basic background check. Any criminal background could affect your ability to attend clinical sites or to take the NCLEX-PN exam or gain licensure through practice. Please speak with your career program specialist or assistant director of admissions if there are any issues you would like to bring to our attention. In regards to our attendance, 100% attendance is expected. Please make arrangements and backup arrangements for transportation, child care, and any other situation that could delay or disrupt your education. You should be prepared to attend lab instruction on campus and have reliable transportation to travel to clinical sites. You must complete a minimum of 1,512 hours of lecture online and direct patient care hours to be eligible to graduate and sit for the NCLEX-PN. With respect to grading, you must pass each course in sequence with a grade of 75% or higher to progress through the program. Failed courses must be repeated and passed prior to moving on the next level courses. There could be a delay of graduation due to the restrictions that were placed on us by clinical sites during the outbreak of COVID. All clinical facilities prohibited admissions to all visitors and students. Currently, our senior students' clinical rotation schedule is past due, and we are working diligently to have our prior students' clinical experience brought up to date. Due to the lapse in past clinical rotations, your graduation date may be also delayed. If you have any questions regarding our curriculum, please refer to the catalog for courses description. You can find more information at our website listed on the screen. We recommend the following tips for your success in a practical nursing program. Organize, prioritize, and plan your time. Allow for an average of 4 to 6 hours per day of study time for day classes. Form study groups with your peers. Porter-Chester Institute tuition for the day class is $29,900 with the following fees. In materials fees of $3,670, which includes your laptop, which will be distributed to you prior to your class starting. E-books, exam kit, and uniform scrub, a technology fee of $350, a graduation fee of $20, and an application fee of $25, which is currently waived during the COVID pandemic and may be subject to change in the future depending on COVID restriction. Lastly, we want to remind you that financial aid is available to those who qualify. Thank you for your interest in our practical nursing program.